So just near the helipad. So from this is a place called Ghangaria. From here to Pulna village, it is almost close to Govindghat. I thought of taking a helipad. I think we are waiting for the helipad. I think we can take up to 80 kgs, including the bag, and it costs around 3,000 rupees. So I think it should be a fine experience. And then you see the valley itself, right? It itself is a beautiful place. You can see a lot of tents here. And I hope they allow us to record some of the videos. They don't allow the GoPro camera, so I might as well do some jadoo. And you have our friend Sundar from Bombay. So we get some good experience on the way. Maybe using the phone only I'll try to capture.
About your valley story.
Okay. Yeah. Hi Ram and family.
Hi. Creating blog.
Yeah. Okay. Just with the helipad in the background. First helicopter ride, huh?
Yeah, very excited. Huh?
Yeah.
The wind it blows.
Yeah. Particularly the background is very nice.
Yeah.
I really don't worry about the camera view or something. So this is the gate. It's manned by no one. Just go.
Under go. Which number?
6. So for each ride, it's like 6 people for each ride, and at least there is a luggage compartment.